How can I know my account number from ATM card? Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find or know ATM account number from our ATM card. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So here on my screen, you can see a ATM card example for now. So here you can see different kind of levels here on your bank card, like your bank branding, card number, card holder's name, smart chip, expiration date, payment network logo, magnetic stripe, signature area, security code, network logo, bank contact information. So in order to find your account number, unfortunately, we can't really find our account number on our bank ATM card due to some security reason. But instead, you can look for other numbers like card number and security code, etc. But instead of that, you can find your account number in few other ways. So your bank account number is not printed on your debit card for security reasons, as I said, and you may just look up for your account number in your bank passbook. So if you have a bank passbook or check, let's say, you'll be finding your account number there, a physical booklet that records your financial transaction. There you should be able to find your account number very easily. Just look up for there if you are looking for your account number. Otherwise, you may just look up for your monthly statements as well, or paper or digital statements will show your account number. And the thing is online banking. Online banking is one of the easiest way on finding your account number. You just need to log in into the bank's app, which is easily available nowadays. Every bank has their own app. After that, just go to log in into your account, login using your username and password, and on the very first page you should be able to see your account number successfully. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to find your account number. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.